Frustrated by the Ntdsapi.dll software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Don't let Ntdsapi slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Ntdsapi, the NT Directory Service API. It provides unmanaged routines for managing Active Directory objects, facilitating the enterprise data link for network orchestration manifests. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Ntdsapi is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Ntdsapi file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't restore your connection, we need to reset the network stack and clear the protocol cache. First, open command prompt as admin, then run these 2 commands. Yast, type n.etsh, space int, space ip, space reeseet, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh, space winsock, space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs manage the plumbing of your internet. Resetting the stack clears out corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Most individual downloads of Ntdsapi.dll are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Ntdsapi environment. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Ntdsapi today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.